Hello students, today our topic is transportation of blood. So how the transportation of blood happens we are going to read it here. Okay? So before describing its transportation we should understood about the blood. So blood is a fluid connective tissue. It consists of RBC, WBC and platelets. It also contains plasma. Okay, so blood is a fluid connective tissue. It consists of RBC, WBC, platelets, and plasma. Now, what is plasma? Plasma is a straw like structure. It carries O2, CO2, nitrogenous waste, and food from one place to the other place in the body. Okay, so plasma it is a straw-like structure which is present in the blood and it carries O2, CO2, nitrogenous waste and food from one place to other place in the body. So here we studied about the plasma. Okay, so plasma, how the blood circulate in the body, and we are taking oxygen. Oxygen goes inside the body. It is getting mixed with the blood, and the oxygenated blood moves in our body. So how this process happens, how this process going on. So one important muscular organ, that is the heart. Okay, so heart, it is present, it is a fist like structure, मुट्ठी के जैसा, fist like structure, muscular organ. If we see the structure of the heart, we are going to I am going to make the structure of heart. So how heart? So heart, it is like this. Right? This structure, this is the right atrium, this is the right ventricle, this is the left atrium, and this is the left ventricle. Right? So this is the right atrium, left atrium, left ventricle, right ventricle. Now, one more part of this is Here is going this one structure, that is the aorta. This is called the aorta, and one more structure is going from here. This is called the pulmonary artery. Here valve-like structure is present here. These valve, this valve is called the mitral valve or bicuspid valve, and this one is called the tricuspid valve. These are the structures, and here also one valve-like structure is present, and these are called the semi-lunar valve. Okay, here one septum, these are the septum. Okay, so these are called the septum. This is called the interauricular septum, and this is called the interventricular septum. So we have studied different parts of the heart. Here is the structure. This is called the vena cava, pre-vena cava, post-vena cava. Okay. Now we are going to read, we are going to study how the heart works. So in this, what happens? The pre-cable, this structure, if you see, if you see this structure, this is pre-cable. Pre-cable collected blood from the upper part of the body and the post cable takes blood from the lower part of the body, and they collected this blood, this deoxygenated blood in right right atrium. Okay. Now, when the blood come in right atrium, it is very much in the relaxed position. After filling this right atrium, it becomes contract, and whom the blood goes into the right ventricle. Okay. So from right ventricle, it goes to pulmonary artery, and from pulmonary artery it goes to the, here is one structure, these are called the lungs, and in the lungs it is converted into the oxygenated blood. Here it is converted into the oxygenated blood. From lungs, the blood comes by the pulmonary vein. Blood comes by the pulmonary vein into the left atrium, and when the left atrium take the blood, it is in the relaxed position. After filling the blood in the left atrium, it is getting contracted, and whole blood goes towards the left ventricle. Okay. So after filling blood into the left ventricle, it goes towards the aorta, and from aorta it it goes to the whole body. So children, this is the simple mechanism of blood circulation in the body, right? So like this, it is getting circulated in the body. Now, such type of, this is called the double circulation. Such type of circulation takes place in birds and mammals. Okay. In frog, amphibians, and reptiles, there is present the three-chambered heart, two atrium, and one ventricle. In them, the deoxygenated blood and oxygen, this is oxygenated, this is deoxygenated, both blood are getting mixed into the ventricle. Okay. So, in this is the uh, in so in birds and mammals there is the double circulation, and in amphibians and reptiles there is the not, it is not a specific which type of circulation, only the oxygenated deoxygenated blood mixed into the ventricle. In fishes there is the single circulation. How? If we draw a structure of a fish, these are the gills. All the deoxygenated blood all the deoxygenated blood is collected here. It goes to the gills. Here it is converted in oxygenated blood, and this blood goes to the whole body. Goes to the whole body. So, like this, these are the gills, and in gills it is getting oxygenated, and this blood moves, oxygenated blood moves to the whole body. So, like this, single circulation, double circulation takes place in different organisms. Here is one exception. The exception is that in crocodile, for even it is reptile, but it has four chamber heart. Sorry, heart. Chamber heart. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.